Hi and welcome back to our channel. Today we are bringing you something super exciting and totally unexpected. We are live from the pickleball court. On one side we have Saurabh, the brain behind Veep, the app that made waves on Shark India Season 1. And on the other side we have Rakhi, the heart of Veep, the driving force who keeps it all together. This isn't just a game of pickleball, but it's a fun battle where we uncover the juicy details about life after Shark Tank. So grab your popcorn because this is going to be competitive, hilarious and maybe even a little spicy.
Pickleball के rules तो सबको पता है, but we have a twist. Alright, here's rule number 1. No tantrums allowed or you'll lose a point. Rule number 2. Style shots get bonus claps from me. Because why not? Rule number 3. If you miss an easy shot, I get to make fun of you guys. Fair, right? Now before we start, let's kick things off with a warm-up round. What was going through your mind when you faced the sharks? Like, were you like, ये तो करना ही पड़ेगा, or did you just secretly plan to just swipe left on the deal?
मेरी तो फटी पड़ी थी and मैंने तो सोच लिया था कि नहीं हो पाएगा हमसे because I was so scared. We thought we're not going to get the deal. हम just time pass करेंगे उधर जाके.
और आपको?
For me, I think when we were outside the tank, we saw people rather coming out with checks or with tears in their eyes. मुझे भी लगा यार शायद हम रोते वापस आएंगे. But I had one goal in mind that whatever we do, we've worked hard for so many years. तो जो भी अपना best देना है. And कहीं ना कहीं belief तो था यार कि they'll be able to see our hard work and they'll know what we're doing. So product पे belief था and I think that's it.
Okay, that's great. So let's get started with the game.
Ready?
हाँ. ब्रो बट ये क्रॉस अप थोड़ी था. देखा ब्रो कितना भगाए तेको.
So as you saw, Saurabh lost. So first question goes to him. Saurabh,
Yes, guys.
अगर Sharks founder बनते Veep के, तो वो कौन होता?
पीयूष बंसल.
Why?
Because he also has had a startup before that. Before Lenskart, उन्होंने भी college का एक startup start किया था to help colleges get admission. So I think he will be more relatable to what we are doing.
And maybe you're taking his name because he's the youngest on the panel.
हाँ क्या? नहीं, I didn't know
You're
that.
biased towards young people.
No, yeah.
ये हार भी नहीं थी यार. ये वो ले मारती.
As you lose, here's your question. If Veep was a movie, what would be its title?
जब तक है जान.
Why?
यार जब तक है जान, I think we'll serve our purpose, we'll serve our vision. That's why I guess. But there are a lot many, but I only think of जब तक है जान now.
Out.
Why out है.
So as you saw, Rakhi lost. So here's a spicy question. What's the weirdest advice you've received from the Sharks? And which shark?
यार ये तो बड़ा weird question है. Weirdest advice.
Tick tick one.
I can answer.
Tick tick two.
हाँ, let's
Okay.
I
Saurabh
can
answer.
answer.
Saurabh wants to answer.
तो ऐसे शार्क्स में लड़ाई हो रही थी अमन गुप्ता और अश्नीर और पीयूष बंसल में कि अमन वाज सेइंग कि रेवेन्यू मत करो, रेवेन्यू की कुछ ज़रूरत नहीं है, बस यूज़र्स बढ़ाओ. पीयूष वाज लाइक यार ऐसे कैसे चलेगा, रेवेन्यू नहीं किया तो कंपनी बंद हो जाएगी. तो हाँ, दोनों ही लड़ रहे थे कि रेवेन्यू करना है नहीं करना. So that was a weird advice कि हमें पता नहीं था कि भाई revenue करे या नहीं करे. Now 2 years down the line, I think Piyush's advice was better because revenue नहीं किया तो company बंद पड़ जाएगी. So हाँ, I think that was one of the weirdest advices.
What is the funniest or the weirdest feedback you have received from user after appeared on Shark Tank?
यूजर्स कुछ यूजर्स ने ये कहा कि डेटिंग ऐप शुरू कर दो. फिर कुछ यूजर्स ने ये कहा कि आपके फ़ोन में गेम्स मिसिंग है, गेम्स करा लो. फिर मैंने बोला ठीक है, तुम्हारे लिए फूड डिलीवरी भी करा लेते हैं, पीजी ढूंढना है वो भी करा देते हैं, सब एक ही ऐप में कर देते हैं. बट हाँ, एज एन देयर बी लॉट मेनी एडवाइसेस एंड लॉट मच ऑफ लव वी रिसीव नॉट ओनली फ्रॉम इंडिया बट people from Bangladesh, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, so many people reached out from different parts of the world and they gave us really good suggestions. हमने काफ़ी कुछ incorporate किया है अभी भी हमारे platform में. So yeah, as you can see, the Veep community growing.
So let's start with the rapid fire round. Saurabh, work from home or work from office?
Work from office.
Your favorite Shark Tank judge?
My favorite Shark Tank judge, Ashneer Grover.
One word to describe Rakhi.
Amazing.
Dream collaboration for Veep?
Dream collaboration for Veep. Netflix.
Morning person or night owl?
Morning person.
Let's go to Rakhi for rapid fire. Rakhi, one word for Saurabh.
Everyone's favorite.
Most overused phrase in the office.
Let's discuss this over a call.
Shark Tank or pickleball?
Pickleball.
One thing you can't live without.
Being happy.
What's next for Veep?
Too many internships, job placement opportunities by top companies.
One secret talent no one knows about you.
I love dancing.
Woo! Yay! Okay, as we are coming to an end, तो मेरे पास आप दोनों के लिए एक फन क्वेश्चन है. अगर बीप को अभी आप रिप्रेजेंट करते शार्क टैंक में तो आपका पिच क्या होता और आपको क्या लगता है कि आपको फंडिंग कितनी मिलती?
हम पिच करते 1% फॉर 1 crore और अलग क्या होता कि इंस्टेड ऑफ वो गेमिफिकेशन, अटेंडेंस ट्रैकिंग, इट विल बी मोर फोकस टुवर्ड जॉब्स, इंटर्नशिप एंड बिल्डिंग देयर ओन कंपनीज इन स्टार्टअप्स. तो वो कुछ अलग है
क्या. और हम इस बार पिच करते हैं कि हमारे पास 3 शार्क्स है, तुम्हारे पास क्या है ऐसे. आई थिंक या दिस.
Okay, so it was really fun having Saurabh and Rakhi on our today's this different podcast.
And that's a wrap, folks. If you've learned anything today, it's that pickleball is a very serious business. But Veep is even more serious about transforming students' life. Until next time, keep hustling, keep dreaming.
Like, share and subscribe to our channel.